Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add physical cash to your Cash app using a barcode. This is perfect if your balance is low and you need to make payments that are only accepted through Cash App. You can deposit cash at popular stores like Walmart, 7-Eleven, and Dollar General, wherever Cash App deposits are accepted. To start, open the Cash app and locate your available balance on the home screen. Tap the paper money icon and you'll see a map of nearby deposit locations. The key feature, however, is the green Show Barcode button. Tap it to generate your deposit barcode. Once the barcode appears, the cashier will scan it to add your cash to the app. You can also take a screenshot, but remember the barcode only stays valid for a short time. When you're at the store, inform the cashier that you're making a cash deposit and that scanning the barcode is all that's needed. Keep in mind the minimum deposit is $5 with a $1 fee per deposit. The maximum single deposit is $500, and Cash App has weekly and monthly limits of $1,000 and $4,000 respectively. So plan larger deposits accordingly. And that's it. Adding money to Cash App with cash is simple and convenient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your deposits hassle-free.